This is a Civil Defense message for Thursday, June 14th at 6 in the morning. Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports that the eruption continues in the lower East Rift Zone. Fissure 8 continues to produce a large channelized flow that is entering the ocean at Kapoho Bay and producing a large laze plume. Gas emissions from the Fissure eruption and at the ocean entry continue to be very high. Hawaiian Volcano Observatory also reports that a steam explosion occurred at the Kilauea Summit early this morning. Be aware of ash fallout throughout Ka'u. Due to volcanic and air quality conditions, the following guidance is given. The Department of Health recommends limiting outside activities and staying indoors if you have breathing issues. You can monitor the latest air quality measurements through the University of Hawaii's VOG Measurement and Prediction Project through the online Civil Defense website. A community meeting on volcanic ash and VOG will be held today at 5:30 p.m. at the Ocean View Community Center. Due to the current volcanic activity, the following policies are in effect. Leilani Estates, west of Pomaikai Street, is open only to residents with official credentials. There is no immediate threat, but residents in Leilani, Wawa, and Papaya Farms Road should heed warnings from civil defense officials and be prepared to evacuate with little notice. The shelter at Pahoa Community Center is open and pet-friendly. The Keao Armory shelter has reached capacity. We are on watch 24 hours a day for your safety. This is your Hawaii County Civil Defense Agency.